In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall Gmail email already sent. This is a quick, practical guide to what's actually possible in Gmail and how to act fast when you hit send too soon. The key idea is simple. Gmail does not let you pull back an email after it has been delivered to the recipient's inbox. There's no traditional recall like you may have seen in some other email systems. Instead, Gmail offers a brief grace period called undo send, and that's the only way to stop a message after you click send. Here's how it works in real time. After you finish writing your email and click send, keep your eyes on the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small confirmation bar that says message sent. Right next to it, there's an option that says undo. On mobile, this appears as a similar prompt along the bottom. Just tap undo, click, or tap that undo link right away. When you do, Gmail immediately stops the send and returns your email to drafts. That means it hasn't gone out, and you can open the draft, make any fixes, add missing attachments, or simply take a breath. When you're ready, you can send it again. Timing is everything here. The undo send option is available only for a very short window, typically between 5 and 30 seconds. During that brief period, the message is held and not delivered yet. If you miss the window and the undo option disappears, the send is permanent. At that point, there is no recall and no way to remove the message from the recipient's inbox through Gmail. A few practical tips to make this work smoothly. After you click send, don't switch tabs or navigate away too quickly. Keep your focus on the lower portion of the screen so you can spot the undo option instantly. If you're on mobile, expect a small banner at the bottom and tap undo promptly. Once the email returns to drafts, take a moment to review the subject line, recipients, and attachments so you don't need to undo a second time. To recap the essentials, recalling in Gmail means using undo send only. You have a maximum of roughly 30 seconds and often less. If you act within that brief window, the email is pulled back into drafts. If you don't, the message is sent for good. That's the full story on recalling a Gmail message. Move quickly, click undo, and you're covered.